Good morning, children. Welcome to math class. Children, today we'll discuss about volume. Already we discussed how to find out the perimeter and area. Now we have to see how to find out volume. So children, open your book and see page number 207. Children, volume is also a measure of the space occupied by a shape. It is the quantity of space contained in a three-dimensional shape. Three-dimensional means, children, here we will measure length, breadth and height. Generally, we measure the volume of liquids and gas. Here, differences are given between volume and area. Let's see one by one step. 1 number, we find the area or plane shapes and the volume of solid shapes. To find the area of a plane shape with straight sides, we need to know its length and breadth. But to find the volume of a shape with straight sides, we need to know its length, breadth and height. 3 things we have to know. Area is a measurement of 2 dimensions, while volume is a measurement of 3 dimensions. Then units of volume. The unit of volume depends on the unit of measurement used to measure dimensions of the object. 3 different units used to measure volume are: the volume of a sugar crystal is measured in cubic millimeter, or the volume of a dice is measured in cubic centimeter, and the volume of trunk is measured in cubic meter. So like this, children, we use the units for volume. Then comes to volume of a cuboid. Cuboid means, children, here length, breadth and height is given. Okay. For example, you see a figure. How many rows are there, children? Here 2 rows are there. Two rows are there. How many cubes in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cubes are there. Then how many layers? 2 layers. So we multiply all the number. That is 2 multiply 5 multiply 2 is 20 cubic units. And this is the volume of this cuboid. Like this, children, we can find out these 2 figures to find out how many rows, find out how many cubes in each row and how many layers. Clear? So, the volume of a cuboid formula is L multiply B multiply H. Length multiply breadth multiply height. Children, you remember. Then, examples you see. Find the volume of a cuboid with length 12 cm, breadth 4 cm and height 4 cm. Here length, breadth and height is given. Just we multiply 3 things, then we get the volume of a cuboid. Then comes to volume of a cube. Children, you know, cube means all sides are equal. Means length, breadth and heights are equal. So, the formula of a cube, the formula of volume of a cube is, children, side multiply side multiply side. Okay. For example, find the volume of a cube with side 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter means, children, as a cube, all sides are equal. So 8 multiply 8 multiply 8. Then this is the important box you remember. Length equal to volume by height multiply breadth. Breadth equal to volume by height multiply length. Then height equal to volume by length multiply breadth. These are the three important formula you have to learn. Then my practice time 4. Find the volume of these cubes if the volume of each small cube is 1 cubic unit. Means, children, 1 cubes is 1 cubic unit. So now we have to find out their volume. For example, A, B, 2, C. Here, children, 3 layers are there. Okay. Then how many rows are there? 3 rows are there. Multiply 3. Then how many cubes are there in one layer? 1, 2, 3. 3 cubes are there. So multiply 3. So 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 is, children, 27. Then unit is cubic unit. It is given. So cubic unit you write. So like this, children, you complete B and C bit in your copy. Then comes to 2 number. Find the volume of the cubes whose sides are given below. Here, children, cubes means all sides are equal, length, breadth and height. So you find out, put the formula, side multiply side, then you get the answer. Then 3 number, find the volume of the cuboids whose sides are given. Already sides are given, length, breadth and height. Just you multiply and find out the answer. 4 number, complete the following table. Here, children, volume column is given, length, breadth and height is given. Which one is blank? We have to find out. Suppose in first row you see, here volume is given, length is given, breadth is given. Here we have to find out height. Height formula is, children, you know, volume by length multiply breadth. Okay. Then here length formula is volume by height multiply breadth. So like this you put the formula, you remember that box and put the formula and find out the answer. Then comes to 5 number. Find the volume of the following solid figures. Here, children, length, breadth and height is given. Just you put the formula, then you get the answer. 6 number. A box has equal length. A box has equal length, breadth and height. Means this is a cube. It is 28 centimeter is. Find the volume. Means you put the formula of cube, then find out the answer. Then 7 number. What is the length of the each side of a cube with volume 125 cube centimeter? Here, children, volume is given. We have to find the side. So what you do? Just you do 125 divided by 3. Okay. Children, 7 number you don't do, because if you divide by 3 you don't get the answer. If you find out the cube root of 125, then you get the answer. You don't know how to find out cube root, so you don't do 7 number. You do 6 number, then comes to 8 number. Find the volume of a packet of biscuit whose length is 18 centimeter, breadth is 3 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. So here children, length, breadth and height is given. Easily you can find out the volume. Then comes to 9 number. Find the volume of a cargo crate whose length is this much, breadth is this much and height is this much. Okay. So children, all are given, length, breadth and height. You easily find out the volume. So children, your homework is my practice time 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 8, 9. Okay. So it complete in your copy. Thank you. Have a good day.